What are you doing?
Sanding the paint for that it is for preparing it to put this like filling on.
You're sanding down the paint a little bit to roughen it up for polyester.
Yeah, fill up polyester
To fill this difference here between this gap.
Yeah.
So today is polyester filling day. We have tented in, and Kira is filling in the windows right now. Down there somewhere, down in the dark. You see Kira with the glove and the mask. What have you done? Does it work?
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah, maybe.
Important to have patience for that job. Because it's super annoying, this material.
And it's pretty much a matter of sanding to prepare the surface, adding the polyester filler, letting it dry, sanding it again to get a nice surface again for the attachment, adding another layer of polyester until we have it nice and level, sanding it a final time, painting, sanding, painting again, sanding again, painting again, and somewhere around then we'll probably have a nice smooth surface again with the right color, hopefully. What's the flag? Hello and welcome to another flag quiz. Trusty flag bag backpack. You know the drill. We're grabbing a flag at random and guessing what it is. And with your help, learning nautical communication with flags, which I think is really cool. Trust me, it's random. I haven't prepared a flag, but I'm just grabbing one that feels right. Yeah, I think this might be a country. This might also be a country, although the thing is wrong. This, I guess, is France.
No way.
Kira is from the back.
You can't just try put this illusion.
Huh? I didn't say I don't know any of them. I said I don't know most of them. This one I think is France. It might still be wrong.
Okay.
So, is this France? Yes or no? We're gonna find out in a few minutes. There is a famous visitor in the boatyard. Well, not famous, but look at the boat that they're taking out. That is a new Pogo, I think 12.5? Pogo 44 it says today. Those are among the fastest cruising boats that money can buy. French built, amazing. If I could afford it, this would be high up on the list. But then on the other hand, who can say no to this beauty?
Which is the
Total opposite?
yeah, the total opposite.
That's correct. This boat over there, that's a Ferrari, a Porsche, a super sports car. This boat right here is an old Land Rover. They don't serve the same purpose. Ours is better. Da-da-da. That's the flag. Alright, so resolution of this week's flag quiz. This was the flag. I don't even need to pull out my smart book for this. It's a country flag, it's a courtesy flag, so flown on the starboard side, high up in the rigging to show respect to the country that we're currently sailing in, and this would be France.
Are you looking forward to sailing in France?
We might sail in France at one point, but it's not really directly on the route. So this flag probably is not gonna find any use any soon. Maybe for the overseas territories.
Oh yeah.
Maybe it needs to be flown there too. I'm not sure. They might have two flags actually, but this one might be part of it. So yeah, country flag, France, courtesy flag. That was the flag. Hello, hello, from under the tent again.
I guess this was the best place to work today because the sun was so crazily hard, shiny,
Blazing. Yeah, the sun was tough today.
blazing.
Look at what I've done and what Kira has done today. Whoop whoop. Doesn't it look amazing? The windows are now filled in, faired, level with the hull.
Yes.
And we have already painted the polyester with another layer of epoxy. So we faired it, we waited until it cured. It's fairly fast curing, then we sanded it again to make it level, and now we painted it again. This nearly looks like a perfect boat again. We just talked about which level of finish do we want to reach. Can we manage with our limited means and our own two hands manage a yacht finish? Like super shiny polished? Probably not. So are we happy with whatever we can do?
Yes,
Yes.
more than happy
So-
actually.
We're giving our best, and actually I'm very happy. I'm satisfied. This is better than expected. Now we ran out of fairing, so we need to find more fairing for the other side.
Yeah, because the fairing in the shop here in the village was exorbitantly expensive. So we look for the one we just had, which is from next village. So we need to make a little excursion one day.
Another shopping trip.
No.
Alright, so this is long enough. This is how we did the windows. Enjoy your day, enjoy your night. Take care and see you soon. Goodbye.
Juicy.